Hey guys, Pokey the Collector here, back again with another video. In today's video we're going to be talking about things that can improve your setup. So in today's video we're going to be talking about stream decks and macro pads. So stream decks are essentially a touchable screen with different buttons, and if you are a streamer it helps out a lot. So let's say you are on your streaming service and you wanted to put up a certain overlay, you would click the button assigned with that certain overlay and it would pop up on the screen. Now you can do the exact same thing with macro pads, but they take a lot more work, whereas stream decks come in different sizes, different prices, and they're made by different things. The most popular are usually the Elgato stream decks that they sell in 3 sizes, I believe. But back to macro pads, you can customize them to however you want and to your setup and to your likeness, but they take a little bit more work as you have to go through your PC and assign different keys to different buttons on the macro pad. And you can do there are many other apps, like on iPhone there are some apps you can do the exact same thing with. But that's everything for today's video of what you can use to improve your setup. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.